dreaming. I started as a seed, the semen, swimming upstream, planted in the womb while dreaming. On the top was my pops, my mama screaming stop from a single drop. This is what they got, not to disrespect my peoples, but my papa was a loser. Only plan he had for mama was to fuck her and abuse her. Even as a little seed, I could see his plan for me. Stranded on welfare, another broken family. Now what was I to be? The product of this heated passion. Mama got pregnant and Papa got a piece of ass. Look how it began. Nobody gave a fuck about me. Pistol in my hand. This cruel world can do without me. How can I survive? Got me asking, white Jesus, will a nigga live or die? Cause the Lord can't see us in the deep dark clouds of the projects. Ain't no sunshine, no sunny days, and we only play sometimes when everybody's sleeping. I open my window, jump to the streets and get to creeping. I can live or die, hope I get some money before I'm gone. I'm only 19, I'm trying to hustle on my own. On this block where everybody and they pops trying to slang rocks. Rather go to college, but this is where the game stops. Don't